Welcome back, fellow shop rats. Today is its debut. We're doing something I really don't enjoy doing a lot, but decided it was worth it today. It's time to take the next step. With the 26 Oakland, we're going to take it to its very first car show. We got about a 10-mile trip, but we'll share some highlights throughout the day with you as we go along. Let's do it.
This is My Cars Shop.
Decided to go ahead and do a little anyway. Apologize, I'm not using my microphone, but the car's a handful, and I'm by myself, obviously. Dad and his wife are going to meet us up there, and that way we have a runaround car in case we need something. And Becky's going to join us a little later on today. So it's about 9 miles up to the show from home. A little further than I wish, but you know, we've driven at 11, 12 miles at a stretch, so we're taking the risk today. Just trying to find that sweet spot where it's like 30, 35 miles an hour, so the engine isn't revving too hard. We're carrying great oil pressure, the temperature's good. We're about 3 miles in right now. Well, we made it in good order, got all registered and got in our spot here, and had just a lull between people looking at the car, so thought we'd just do a quick shot here. I just talked to my dad. He'll be here soon. Becky will be here a little bit later on. So I was number 41 in the registration, and I'm guessing we'll have 100, 150 cars here today. So we'll get back with you when we get another break here. was over, it was a very popular car. Lots of people interested in learning about it, amazed by its condition as a survivor car, all of that stuff. So it was very cool. Oil pressure's holding good. Temperature is about 180. It is 90 degrees outside right now. I think so far, knock on wood, for its first actual venture out into the real world, it's doing pretty well. Hopefully I can relax in the future, because this is pretty stressful. There's just too many things to keep track of. I'm too hyper vigilant on everything with the car. We're putzing along at about 30 right now, which is a real good speed. I don't hear the pistons slapping. The engine's about as quiet as it can be right at this RPM, so I think 30 miles an hour is a good spot. Oil pressure is pegged at 30 plus. Temperature, like I said, 180, so very, very happy. And one of the stressful things about all of this is just learning this really high heat. For example, the pilot bushing in the back of the transmission must be a little sticky in this high heat, because the transmission's not shifting as good as it normally does. I'm just going to relax and enjoy the last mile before I get home, and then we'll do a wrap up. Warmest I've seen it. It's pushing like 185, which isn't bad. Oil pressure's at 27, 26, so no complaints. That's pretty good considering how hot it is out. Well, I think overall it was a successful day. First car show ever for this, as far as I know, ever in its 97 years of life. So that was cool. And thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. It was a good day. First time that Dad and I ever did a car show together. His wife came along. Becky came this afternoon. We didn't win anything. I didn't expect to. This car show was put on by the Chamber of Commerce, not by the car people. But it's okay. It was a good time. It's just hard to take a 1927 or 1926 all untouched survivor car and compete against a 79 whatever that's pristine show car and a 65 Mustang, and it's just not real good classes, but that's okay. No complaints. I didn't expect to win anything anyway. I've attended that show many years in the past. I haven't been there for at least 10 years, but they put on a good little show, and it was a good time with people. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Well.